Running bash script from within Python. I have a problem with the following code. Call bash.py. Sleep.sh. I want the n to be printed after tens. I know that this is a dumb example. I could simply sleep within Python, but this simple sleep.sh file was just as a test.
Making sleep.sh executable and adding shell equals true to the parameter list, as suggested in previous answers, works okay. Depending on the search path, you may also need to add dot or some other appropriate path. EA, change sleep.sh to /sleep.sh. The shell equals true parameter is not needed under a POSIX system like Linux if the first line of the bash script is a path to a shell, for example, #bin/bash.
If sleep.sh has the shebang #!bin/sh and it has appropriate file permissions, run chmod u plus rx sleep.sh to make sure and it is in $path, then your code should work as is. If the script is not in the path, then specify the full path to it, for example, if it is in the current working directory. If the script has no shebang, then you need to specify shell equals true. If the script has no executable permissions and you can't change it, for example, by running os.chmod sleep.sh 00755, then you could read the script as a text file and pass the string to subprocess module instead.
If someone looking for calling a script with arguments, remember to convert the args to string before passing, using strarg. This can be used to pass as many arguments as desired.
Actually, you just have to add the shell equals true argument. But beware. Warning: invoking the system shell with shell equals true can be a security hazard if combined with untrusted input. See the warning under frequently used arguments for details. Source:
If you want to share more classical C++ scripting